Hi guys, welcome back to Investor Prime TV. If you're new, this channel is a one-stop shop for anything investment. So investment discussions, investment ideas, stock picks, when to get in the market, when to get out. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and of course that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads like this. Because I promise you, you'll learn a thing or two and it will definitely help with your trading. Alright, so before I get into today's video, I'm going to share with you my live trading account portfolio. Alright guys, as you can see, here's my live trading account portfolio. My balance in US dollars is 11,100 and in Great British pounds is 7,800 pounds. So today's video is going to be the first in a series of videos of stocks to buy in 2021. Alright, so the stock to buy for 2021 that would yield great returns is Wells Fargo. So WFC is the ticker symbol. So for those who don't know, Wells Fargo is a bank and they offer banking services and mortgage services. So I can see the live data for Wells Fargo. So they closed on Friday at $29 and I believe it's a good time to get in. So Wells Fargo's stock price has been increasing all year. They've just been going from strength to strength. And one of the reasons I believe Wells Fargo is a good stock to get behind is that they've basically done very well in the stress test. Alright, so stress tests were issued to banks, especially in this pandemic, to see if they can stay afloat, if their business can stay afloat, and basically to see if they're resilient. You know, so there's a lot of stringent tests involved in those. So Wells Fargo have done very well in those tests, which proves that they're resilient as a business, and also the stock price, the way the stock price has been climbing, proves that it's a good stock to get behind. You know, buying it, you're definitely going to see returns, positive returns. And another reason I believe Wells Fargo is a good stock to get behind for 2021, there's been a lot of upgrades, so a lot of companies are investing in this stock. You know, they've been changing their positions from neutral to buy, strong, etc. because they have a lot of faith that they're going to see good returns in this. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed that video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And of course, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any further uploads. And if you bought shares in Wells Fargo, or you already own shares in Wells Fargo, then comment below and let me know. Thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.